Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth tutorial on Hibernate. Before this we talked about different mappings like one-to-many mapping or many-to-one mapping, and today we will be talking about the queries which is provided by Hibernate, that is HQL, Hibernate Query Language. So like suppose if you see the table schema, if you talk about the subjects, if I am select star from subject, I am getting different subjects inside the subject table. So let's do certain query in Hibernate using HQL. So for that, Hibernate query language provides us query, that is query, and let it be q is equal to session dot create query. This is a query which is provided by Hibernate. And for creating query, we have to write query in form of HQL, that is the language in which Hibernate understands the query. So the thing which needs to be understand here is when we select certain data from table, we go for the name of the table, that is if you are selecting certain data from subject table, then we just write select star from subject. Instead of this, we need to go to the class, that is subject class, and depending upon the name of the subject class, that is this subject, we will have to select from the model class, that is the class name of the model. So we don't need to select from table of the database, we just need to select from class. So instead of writing select star from subject, that is the name of the class, we just need to write only this much, that is select, not select, only this much, that is from subject. So only writing this, that is from subject, Hibernate will understand that we need to select all the data of subject. So let's proceed and provide this as the q.list, because this will be in the form of list and I am storing this in the list. And let me typecast it, the subject, and also here also, that is list of subjects. So this will be the list of subject, and after this let me print the data, that is for here only, that is for subject s is equal to list colon list, and here I'll write the subjects. Subject name I'll print s dot get subject name. Okay, so what we done here, let me explain you one more time. This is the thing, we have created a query in form of SQL, and this query will select the data from subject table, and here the subject is the name of the class which is mapped to the subject table. Okay, and this query, that is this query, will select all the data from subject table, and we have put this data in the form of list, and using the for we are printing the subject data. So just save this and let me create in the console, just clear all the console data, and I am printing this. See what we did here, it created query and using and selected different data from the subject, that is this, it selected all the data and we got all the name of the subjects using HQ. HQL, that is Hibernate Query Language. One more thing, this is basic HQL, that is just to select data from subject. We can write some more clauses here, like let's select the subject detail whose name is Hibernate. So here you can write the where clause also, where, and let's check the column name, that is this subject name, where the subject name is equal to, in a single quotes you can write Hibernate. And when I'll run this, let's see we got only Hibernate. So in this way we can provide the where clause also. And what we can also do one thing, like instead of selecting all the data, we can just select subject name, from subject, where, or just select ID, that is, let's see what is this is the ID. So we'll provide here only ID only, and ID is in the int, so we'll provide this as integer and make this also as integer. And we are selecting ID, so we will just put S only, and here we will typecast this as integer. Okay, so when I'll print this, see we got the ID of 2, and let's check this in the database. For Hibernate our ID is 2, so we got the data of ID as 2 using the HQL, that is Hibernate Query Language. So in this way we can implement query, that is query, using query, and put the data in any of the list, and using those lists or just the data we can print the data. And one more thing, lazy loading we can provide, that is q dot set first result, that is the first result, that is on which data we want the first result to be provided. That is, suppose these are the data, there is 8 data, we want the data to start from third option, so just provide this as 3, not here but here as 3. So it will just start set as the first result as 3. So now what I will do, I will just go to the previous version and I'll also remove the where clause so that we can see the results. And instead of this I'll put subject, I also will put it there. Subject as dot get ID. Let's check the ID which starts with the third result. So I'm clearing the console, and when I'll set the first result, see our data started from fourth option, that is these were the list which were excluded from the data, that is 1, 2 and 3 has been excluded, or the first result started from fourth option, that is the after that is from 0th index 0, 1, 2 has been skipped, from third index, that is from result that is 4, it has started the data.